Hello kids, let's start with the next exercise, exercise 7G, and it is based upon the multiplication of the fractions. So let's start this. So the first question we have is we have to find the product of the given fractions. Let us do the first part where we have fractions 7 by 5 multiply with 3 by 5 multiply with 7 by 11. So we have to multiply the numerator with numerator and multiply the denominator with the denominator. At the same time, the numerators and the denominators, they are in divisible form with each other. That means if any of these can be cut using a division, we can do that. Okay, so we'll see it further. Let's do the multiplication here. 7 into 3 we have is 21. 5 into 11 is 55. This is first question. Second question also I'm taking. We have 5 by 8 into 4 by 7. So this is what I was saying, kids. 5 is and 8, they do not have any common factor. Similarly 5 and 7, they also do not have any common factor. Also 4 and 7, they do not have. But if you see here, the terms 4 and 8, they have common factor as 4. That means they can be divisible by 4 directly. So let's divide it. 4 into 4, 4 and 4 is 1, 4 into 2 is 8. So in the numerator, we have 5 multiplied by 1 remaining, and in the denominator 2 into 7. So this make it as 5 by 14. Okay, this is how we have to do this. Similarly, kids, you can pick up the other question, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You can do, let me do the seventh part now. The seventh part. It says 3 1 by 8 multiply with 16. So first of all, let us change to the normal fraction. It will be 8 into 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 8 with 16. It will give us 8 into 1, 8 into 2. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. This is the answer here. This is done. Similarly, you can pick up all these questions. Also, let me do question number 8 here, which is 3 6 by 7 multiply with 4 2 by 3. Both are the mixed fraction. So let us change to the normal fraction first. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27 by 7, and then 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 divided by 3. So 7, we have these two as the normal fractions now. So now let us multiply them. 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14, 3 into 1 and 3 into 9. So in the numerator we have 9 into 2, in the denominator we have 1s only. So answer is 18 here. Okay, so kids, likewise you can pick up the other part of these questions. We are just doing the normal multiplication. In the case of the mixed fractions, change to the normal fraction and then find out the product. Okay, so we have done question number 1. Also from question number 2 is also same, kids. Here in place of 2 fractions we are given 3 fractions. So let me pick question number 2 first. Question number 2, second part. We have 12 by 25 into 15 by 28 into 35 by 36. So let us try these questions. Okay, so if you see here 12 and 28, both of them, they are factor of 4. So 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 7 is 28, right? Similarly 7 into 1 and 7 into 5 here, right? Also 5 into 1 and 5 into 5 here, right? And also this is divisible with 15. So 5 into 1 and 5 into 3. So let me write what is left in the numerator. We have 3 into 3 into 1, and in the denominator we have 36. So 36 is also divisible by 3. This is 3 into 3 is 9, right? And I can write this as 9 by 36, and both are the factors of 9. 9 into 1, 9 into 4. So answer will be 1 by 4. So the product of the given fraction is 1 by 4 here. Similarly, let me pick the sixth part here. 6, we have 3, 1 by 16 into 7, 3 by 7 into 1, 25 by 39. These are the questions given to us. Now let us do this. 16 into 3 is 48 plus 1 is 49 by 16. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 plus 3, right? We have 49 plus 3, which is equal to 52. 52 by 7, and then 31 into 39 into 1 is 39, and then 39 plus 25 is 64 by 39. Okay, so we have all these terms now. Let us try to multiply these. Okay, so we have 16 into 1 and 16 into 4, because 16 for the 64 is there, and here 7 into 1, 7 into 7 here, right? So these are the terms given to us, and then what we have is left here is 7 into 52 into 4 divided by 39. These are the numbers which we are left with here. Now if you see it, all these terms, they cannot be divided with the denominator. So we will multiply them together and it will come around 1456. So answer will be 1456 by multiplying these three, and in denominator we have 39. Okay, so this is how we have to do these questions, kids. Next, we have to find question number 3. This is again the multiplication where we have to find 1 by 3 of 24. So 1 by 3 of 24 means 1 by 3 multiply by 24. Question number 3, part 1 I am picking. This is 1 by 3 of 24. So this of means you have to find the product. 1 by third part of basically 24. So if you solve it, this is 3 into 1 and 3 into 8. So answer for this will be 8 here. Okay. Now, if I go to question number 2, we have 3 by 4 of 32. That means multiply with 32. So 4 into 8, and we are left with 3 into 8 now, which is equal to 24. Right? So this is how we have to do these questions. Same way we have to pick the other questions also, kids. Right? Always remember that wherever unit is given to us in the question, like here rupees is given to us in question number 6, I am picking this is 5 by 11 of rupees 220. So this is 11 into 1, 11 into 20, which will make it as 5 into 20 rupees 100. Always mention the unit in the answer if it is provided in the question. Like in the another question, we are given with meters. So this is 9 into 1, 9 into 6. Answer will be 24 meters. Okay. Here liter, 7 into 1, 7 into 5. Right. Now what is left? 6 into 5, which is equal to 30 liters. Here 1 by 6 of an hour, 1 by 6 of 60, which is equal to 10, right? So answer is equal to 10 minutes here, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. When I'm writing 60 here, that means we are considering the minutes. So answer will be in minutes here. Now 5 by 6 of an year, you can find it out how. We have to multiply this with 365, because 1 year is given to us. If it is like 5 by 6 of 7 years, so you have to multiply it with 7. Then 7 by 20 of a kg. A kg means 1 kg. 9 by 20 of a meter. A meter means 1 meter. So it will be something like 9 by 20 of 1 meter. Like this you have to find out. 7 by 8 of a day. 3 by 7 of a week. So when we say day, we can find it in hours also. 7 by 8 of how many hours in a day? 24. So it will be 8 into 3. Answer will be 21. Answer here will be 21 hours. Okay. 3 by 7 of a week. So week can be reduced to days. We have 7 days. See, I am writing it here. If we have 3 by 7 of a week, so first we are converting, we have week has 7 days. So instead of writing 1 week, I can write 7 days, but then we have to mention days in the answer. Then 7 is cancelled, answer is 3 days. 3 by 7 of a week is equal to 3 days. Like how I have told you the question number 13th. 7 by 8 of a day. Of a day means day is equal to 24 hours. So 7 by 8 into 24 hours. This is equal to 7 by 8 into 24 we will do. This is equal to 3. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Answer will be 21 hours. So we will always have to write the units which we are considering. Okay. Wherever you are converting it, mention the converted units in the answer. Next, what we have is apples are sold at rupees 48 4 by 5 per kg. That is question number 4. Kids, all these questions are very easy and you have to do this as a homework. Okay. I'm picking question number 4. It says apples are sold at rupees 48 4 by 5 per kg. That means 1 kg, the cost of 1 kg of apple is this per kg. Okay. Now, what is the cost of 3 into 3 by 4 kg of apples? So, 1 kg cost is given to us as 48 4 by 5. That means 1 kg cost is, sorry, in rupees, is given to us as, let me change, we have to multiply 48 into 5, which is 240 plus 4, 244. This is the cost of 1 kg of apples. And we have to find that what is the cost of 3 by 4 kg of apples. 3 by 4, which is equal to 4 into 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. We have to find out that what is the cost of this much kg of apples. We have to find this. So how we are going to do this? We have to find the cost of 15 by 4 of kg. For 1 kg it is this. For 15 by 4 kg, this is 15 by 4 multiply with 244 by 5. Okay. And now we can solve it. If you divide 244 with 4, we will get 4 into 6, 4 into 1. And here 5 into 1, 5 into 3. So answer will be 61 multiply with 3. That is rupees 183. Okay. So we have find the product to get the answer here. Next question is cloth is being sold at rupees 42 1 by 2 per meter. That means the cost of 1 meter of cloth is given to us. What is the cost of 3 by 5 meters of cloth? Same thing you have to do, change to the normal fraction, multiply this to get the cost. A car covers a distance of a distance at a speed of, question number 6, the speed is given to us as 66 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. That is, in 1 hour it is going at the speed of 66 2 by 3. Let me change this to the normal fraction first. So this will be 198. Yes, 198 plus 2 is 200. So the speed of the car is 200 by 3 kilometer per hour. Now, how much distance will it cover in 9 hours? So time is given to us as 9 hours. And we know the formula that speed is equal to distance by time. We have done this in grade 5, right? Speed is equal to distance by time. We have to find the distance. So that means if we multiply speed with time, we will get the distance. So here the speed is given to us as 200 by 3, and time is given to us as 9 hours. So this is 3 into 3. Distance covered will be 600 kilometers. Okay, so kids, I hope this is clear what we have done. Speed is given to us, time is given to us, and distance is asked from us, that what is the distance. And we know the formula of speed is distance by time. So what we have done, we have multiplied the two and we have got the distance here. Next, one tin holds 12 3 by 4 liters of oil. So let me erase this. 1 tin holds 12 3 by 4 liters of oil. How many liters of oil can 26 such tin hold? So this is easy. That amount of oil which a tin can hold, 1 tin. 1 tin can hold, question number 7. 1 tin here can hold 12 3 by 4 liters. This is 12 into 4 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51 by 4 liters of oil 1 tin can hold. What we have to find is how many liters of oil can 26 such tins hold. So if we multiply this with 26, we will get the amount of oil which 21 tins can hold. This is like this, right? So we have to multiply these two, right? Yeah. So 51, if you multiply 51 with 26 by 3, so we can do it like this. 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 13. So we can multiply now 51 with 13, which is 663 by 2. This is the amount of oil 26 tins can hold. Easy. For 1 tin we know, and for 26 tin we have to multiply the same with 26. This we have done. Now for a question number 8, for a particular show in a circus, each ticket cost this amount. So the cost of one ticket is given to us. Now if 308 tickets are sold for the show, how much amount has been collected? Easy. We have to multiply 35 1 by 2 with 308. This is the cost of one ticket. We have to find the cost of 308 tickets. So just multiply these two and get the answer. Next, we have question number 9. 9 boards are stacked on the top of each other. We have 9 boards which are stacked at the top of each other. If the thickness of each board is 3 2 by 3. So what it is saying is that the thickness of one board is 3 2 by 3. How high is the stack? Then what is the height of the stack? So we know the thickness of one, and we know that there are 9 boards. Thickness of one board is, question number 9, thickness of one board is 3 2 by 3 centimeters. This is given to us as 3 2 by 3, which is equal to 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2 11 by 3 centimeter is the thickness of one board. And we have 9 such boards. They are stacked on one upon each other. They are 9 boards. So what is the total height of the stack? Height of the stack will be 9 multiplied with the thickness of 1, right? Because we are given with the thickness of 1 and we know it is 9. If we multiply it together, we will get this height, right? So this is 9 into 11 with 3. 3 into 3 is there. Answer will be 33 centimeters. This is the height of the stack. Done? Last question is, Rohit takes 4 by 5 minutes to make a complete round of a circular park. How much time take to will he take to make 15 rounds? So one round, question number 10, one round Rohit is making in 4 by 5 minutes. That is equal to 24 by 5 minutes. He is making one round. Now, for 15 rounds, we have to find the time. This is 24 by 5 into 15. 5 into 3, 24 into 3 is 72. So, this is 72 minutes he is going to take to complete 15 rounds. Okay. So with this, we have come to the end of this particular exercise 7G. And now let's move to the next exercise 7H, which is the last exercise of this chapter from R.S. Aggarwal. Okay, so let me first just make it a bit larger so that we can see it properly. Yeah, now let's do this fast. What is the reciprocal of this? So, kids, we know what is reciprocal. It is the opposite of this given fraction. That is, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. This we have done in grade 5. Now, what we have? Second, 7. 7 we can write it as 7 by 1. So, the reciprocal of 7 by 1 will be 1 by 7. Now we have 1 by 12. The reciprocal will be 12 by 1, which is also equivalent to 12. Next, we have a mixed fraction. So let's change it first. 12 into 5 is 60 plus 3. 63 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of 63 by 5? 5 by 63. Okay. So this is done. Next, we have simplify this. So kids, we know that whenever we change the division sign to multiplication, we always reciprocal the right hand side fraction, right? We do the reciprocal of right hand side fraction. What that means is 4 by 7 is as is. I'm changing this to multiply. So if I'm changing division to multiplication, pick the right hand side fraction always and do the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal of 9 by 14 will be 14 by 9. So what we have done, we have changed the division to multiplication and now we can solve it. 7 into 1, 7 into 2. What will be the answer? 4 into 2 is 8, 9 into 1 is 9. This is our answer. Likewise, let me do question number 3rd. We have 8 by 9 divided by 16. So I can write 16 as 16 by 1. Now, what we have to do is, we have to change to solve it, we have to change the division to multiplication. So, I have changed this sign to multiply and I will do reciprocal of right hand side fraction. This will become 1 by 16. So, 8 into 1, 8 into 2. This will become 1 into 1 is 1. 9 into 2 is 18. This is our answer. Okay, so kids, same thing you have to follow in every all the fractions here. Just change the divide to multiply and change the right hand side fractions. Okay, so similarly you have to do all these questions I am marking. And now let me pick one question for you. Let me pick this last question, 8th. So when I just keep this thing in mind that whenever we change the sign of division to multiplication, just do the reciprocal of the right hand side fraction only. You don't have to do the reciprocal of left or both, just one. I'm doing question number 8 of question number 2, this part. So we have 15, 3 by 7 divided with 123 by 49. So before changing or doing anything, what I'm going to do is I'm changing this mixed fraction to the normal fraction first. So 15 into 7 is 105. 105 plus 3 is 108 by 7. Division, because first I'm changing this. 49 into 1 is 49. Now to this add 23. This will become 72 by 49. Now let us change the division to multiplication. So this will become 49 by 72. 7 into 1, 7 into 7. Okay. And for the other number 72, if we divide this with, let me divide this this particular number with 36. So we have 36 into 2, 36 into 2 as 72, and then 36 into 3 is 108. So in the numerator I have 3 into 7 21. In the denominator, I have 1 into 2, which is 2. So this is the answer. So kids, likewise, you have to pick all of these. And last one, we have to divide. Okay. So here, question number 3, you have to see that how we have to write the equation first. We have to divide, I'm writing the sign, divide this number 11 by 24 by 7 by 8. So we have to divide this particular number 11 by 24 given to us. So we will write this number here divided by 7 by 8. So now what we have is change the division to multiplication, 8 by 7. 8 into 1, 8 into 3. This will become 11 by 21. Okay. So this is how we have to do this question. And then the next question what we have here is, let me do the second part also. 6, 7 by 8 by 11 by 16. So 8 into 6 is 48. So to this 48 we have to add 7, which will become 55 by 8. This fraction we have solved. Change division to multiplication. Do the reciprocal. We'll get this 11 into 1, 11 into 5, 8 into 1, 8 into 2. Answer will be 5 into 2, 10 divided by 1 into 1, 1 only. So answer is 10 here. Okay. So kids, likewise, you have to pick up all the other questions here, which are very, very easy. Let me do this question also. This is little different. So let me pick this question. We have 63 divided by, question number 6 is 63 has to be divided by 2, 1 by 4. So what we have to do first is, first of all, we have to do two things. 63 can be written as 63 by 1. Division have to change and then write this as is. Now 4 into 8 is 1. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 4. So what we have got here is 63 divided by 1 divided by 9 by 4. Next, what we are going to do, 63 by 1, change division to multiplication and do the reciprocal. 9 by 4 will become 4 by 9, right? 9 1 the 9, 9 into 7 is 63. Now 7 into 4 we have in the numerator, which will give us 28 and 1 here. So this is how we have to do the question number 6. So kids, we have done many questions and rest of the questions are homework. Please do them at home. And if you have any confusion, you can always ask me. This is the last exercise of this particular chapter, fractions from R.S. Aggarwal. So in the next class now, I'll pick the next chapter. Thank you.